Taking care of your heart can be as easy as making a simple meal. Today, the dietitians at Stanford Healthcare are helping you put a heart-healthy spin on a torta sandwich. We'll be using some delicious canned black beans as our protein today. Canned beans are a convenient and affordable source of plant-powered protein that can be added to a variety of dishes. Make sure you purchase the no-salt-added variety and rinse them well to cut down on sodium. We'll be using reduced-fat Monterey Jack cheese instead of regular, and substituting whole wheat rolls for the white flour rolls for additional heart-healthy fiber. First, we'll cook our black beans. Start by heating a teaspoon of oil and sautéing our yellow onions until they begin to brown. Then we'll add our garlic, chili powder, and ground cumin. Add your beans into your onions. Then add the vegetable stock and bring it all to a simmer. Mash the beans in the pan with a large spoon or spatula. Finally, we'll season our beans with lime juice and pepper and set them aside. Next, we'll create our lettuce mixture with romaine, thinly sliced white onion, our reduced-fat Monterey Jack, and radishes. With our lettuce mix and beans done, we can assemble our sandwiches. We'll cut our rolls lengthwise and spread a quarter avocado on the inside of the bottom. Then spoon on our black beans and our lettuce mix and finish with a spoonful of pico de gallo. Enjoy this dish all year, and remember that eating heart-healthy can be delicious and easy. For more recipes and heart-healthy tips from the dietitians of Northern California's #1 cardiology and heart surgery program, visit stanfordhealthcare.org/food for heart.